So today is part 2 of actually going to find the stuff for the affirmation mirror. So I went to Ross yesterday and I saw a mirror, but the frame wasn't big enough for me to write all my affirmations and things on it. I never Googled it. I never Googled what it's called, what I make it. I'm going to call it an affirmation mirror. It might be called that, but that's what I'm just about to call it in this video. But now I'm on the way to a second Ross to maybe see if I can find a mirror with a bigger frame. And I really want to do Ross because they have the mirrors for the low. And I also need one that's going to hang on the door, which is optional if you want one to hang on the door. But I want mine to hang on the door, like the hanging ones. But if I don't end up finding a hanging one, I'll just go with one that leans against the wall because those are nice too. But I'll call y'all back when I get in the store. And watch me back it up and be like, and she like her. We like her too, and we like her. Alright, y'all, we made it to Ross. Yes. So let's see what I can find. Hey y'all, so I'm back home and the first thing I want to do is start cleaning the mirror because you don't want all the energies that was in the store in your mirror. So I'm gonna light an incense and start physically cleaning it as well as spiritually cleaning it. So I'm removing all the paper. You can watch me struggle with the top part. Then I flipped it around, removed the this was ew, I was fighting with it, like why would it play me like that? So I just pulled it at the front. And then there's always stickers, the price tag sticker that comes on mirrors, and they are a hassle to get off. So I'm gonna grab, see, when you start to pull them, it leaves residue. I'm gonna grab these 2 things that literally no human has around their home. It's called goo remover, and it removes tapes and this little scrape thing I got from the auto store. And literally the only reason I have these 2 things is because I had stickers on my car that I wanted to remove without bursting my windshield. So I went and bought the goo and the little scraper like 2 months ago. And now they're coming in handy today. But I know literally no one has these around the house. If you do, that's good. If you don't, you can use a hot rag, a washcloth. Make sure it's hot with steam coming out of it and wipe the sticker off of it. That's what I usually do, but I was like, ooh, I got these 2 things that I literally thought I would never use again. Excuse me, y'all. So in addition to the mirror, you will also need Sharpies. You can use 1 Sharpie, but I used 3 different Sharpies because I wanted some letters to be bigger than the rest. But you don't have to use 3 different Sharpies. This is literally your vision. You could do it exactly how you would like. You could use color Sharpies, but I find that the black Sharpies last longer and the color Sharpies normally fade when I do these affirmation mirrors. So a black Sharpie usually works best. I also have old journals that I used to write in. I have my old poem books. I also brought my laptop so I can Google words. I don't know, but when it's time for me to actually spell words, I completely forget the spelling. Like now when it's when it's actually time for me to spell them, so I won't look foolish Or when someone is literally watching you do your job, and then all you happen to make every single mistake that you normally don't make. Like, wait, I literally know what I'm doing. Why am I tripping now? Because someone gazed on me. It's literally because someone gaze is on you. The fact that I'm making sure I don't make any mistakes is was throwing me off, and the reason why I can't spell words like celestial. I literally looked up simple words that I know how to spell, but I just didn't want to do it wrong. So get the thesaurus, a dictionary, your laptop. I grabbed my daughter's phone, my tarot cards, anything that has words that you would want to put on your affirmation mirror. So you're going to watch me fill that up. And you don't have to necessarily fill all the spaces. Sometimes I'll leave space so I can go back and add affirmations as I go along. So you don't necessarily have to fill them up all the way. Just put affirmations that you need and you would like on your growth journey. So I'm gonna be quiet and let y'all watch me do that. Ta-da! I'm all done, and this is what it looks like completed. I hung it in the bathroom because I get ready in the bathroom. So you want to put it somewhere where you're able to look at it. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped.